Yeah. Ooh. Ooh, alright. I still have a pretty good chance of winning because, look.
It's a broken one.
Cracked right there. And there's only one more left. And it's this one. I don't know who won this round, but I say he won this round still. Because, I don't know. You guys tell us in the comments. Ready for round 2? Let's get it. Put them all back in. You want to go first? Alright, ready?
No, you go first.
Alright. Oh, broken.
Oh,
I got the broken
still pretty good.
Alright. Okay, she dropped it. Oh, freaking gosh, you got the. This is the one I wanted to get. This is like the game winner.
But he still has a really good chance of winning.
Yeah, I still have a pretty good chance. Broken one.
And guys, if you want one of these, you should go on Wish. There's this app on App Store. It's called Wish, and you could buy this for $2. You don't have to buy it, but you have to buy the shipping. So only $2 for this.
Pretty good deal. So go check them out.
When we're selling some, we're gonna buy some. We're selling some, and we're gonna buy them. You guys could buy them for $5.
Ready?
Oh, that one's pretty good. Look at that one. That's a pretty good chance of winning.
Yeah, I do actually. Alright, go. It's crazy. Ooh, oh my gosh. So, yeah. These two so far. These two so far. Let's get it.
Oh, dang, this dude's crazy. Oh, he got a really good one.
I got the wood looking one.
Okay.
Alright, let's go.
Now I have a competition.
Now you have a competition. Yep.
Ooh, I got a glow in the dark.
The glow in the dark one. Ooh, this is pretty. This is actually going back and forth.